Hello, and welcome to Party Paper Tears. Today's video is a continuation of a previous video entitled How to Make Your Own DogMan SVG. If you haven't watched that video, I would advise you to go back and watch it before you proceed with this one. In this video, I'll show you what it's like to put your character together after you cut them out on your cutting machine. And I will also share some useful tips along the way. If you would like to see me do this, then stay tuned. Here's a quick view of what it looks like once you break your character down in Design Space and mat them for cutting. And here's a view of the cardstock being cut out on my Cricut maker. I'm using 65-pound smooth cardstock, and I'm also cutting this out on the default pressure setting. And this is what your pieces are going to look like once they're cut out. The first thing you're going to do is put your shadow layer together, and you do that by reversing the pieces and applying transparent tape to the seams. And then you're going to flip that character over and burnish those seams, ensuring that you have a really secure contact. And then you just proceed with what I call dry fitting. Dry fitting is just putting your character together to ensure that you have all pieces accounted for and you don't have any damage. If you're a beginner, this is really a good character to start with because he is off the mat. He's just under 19 inches tall, but he has large pieces and his design is not very complicated. So it's very beginner friendly. Once you're done with the dry fitting and everything is in alignment, then you just pick up each piece and glue it into place. So now I'm going to take my blade and reconnect the stroke lines. So here's a good tip. When you're making your own SVG, you can use connection points. So what I mean by connection points is, if you're making your own SVG, you just simply make a break in the stroke line. And that's why I'm reconnecting them now, because I made 3 breaks in this top so that it wouldn't be 4 different pieces. And you can easily do that when it's all the same color. So it would cut out as one big piece. You just glue it down. You don't have to worry about the alignment of the other pieces. And you just reconnect it or cut to rejoin the stroke line after you glue it. But be careful, don't put any glue where those connections are, because it'll be really hard to lift them up after you cut them. And as you see, I'm doing the same thing with the ears. And it just maintains the integrity of the character and gives it a more cohesive look. I want to thank you for joining us, and I hope this video was helpful. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and have a wonderful day.